Dear students, third part, 3x minus y is equal to 3. Second equation, 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Dear students, if you will solve it by any of the method, you will see you won't get the solutions. Reason? This is the reason. Because on comparing the ratio of these two equations, we see that A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, all the three ratios are equal. That means infinitely many solutions will be there. So I told you in the first exercise and during the table that we have to find out the solution in case the solution is unique solution. If we'll get no solution, means this is not equal, C1 by C2 or all are equal, then we no need to find out the solution. Okay, so if you will check 3 by 9, A1 by A2 minus 1 by minus 3, 1 by 3 and 3 by 9. By reducing them into simplest form, we'll get 1 by 3 as the ratio. That means infinitely many solutions are there. So the question ends up here. No need to solve it further using any of the method because you won't be able to get the answer. Second is fourth question. First equation is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. Second equation is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Dear students, first of all, we will remove the decimal of these two equations to make our question easier. Or otherwise, if you want to do them with the decimal, you can solve them with the decimal also. So here we have removed the decimal by placing 10 in the denominator. Same here, same here. Because 10 is there in the denominator of all the terms of the equation, left hand side also at right hand side. So we have cancelled it out. So the equation becomes 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Similarly, by doing the same thing, we will get the second equation. Now let us compare the ratios in this question also. 2 by 4, A1 by A2, 3 by 5, B1 by B2. See, we will convert it in simplest form, then also they are not equal. That means unique solution. So dear students, you will solve only for unique solution, remember. Otherwise, what will happen in case of these things? You do not get x or y to find out its value. End तक आते आते x और y वाली terms ही cancel हो जाती हैं, जिससे कि आपके पास कुछ solve करने के लिए नहीं रहता. So now, because unique solution is there, so let us follow the same substitution method. Let us write the two equations 1 and 2. From here 1 and 2. From first equation 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. But the coefficient of x in this is 2. We will take it in the denominator because multiplication is there. So x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. Now, because we have taken this value from first equation, so we'll put it in second equation. Okay, so put or substitute in second. 4 into x. 4 into x. X is this. So put it here. Plus 5y is equal to 23. Because 2 is in the whole denominator of this binomial. And 4 is also multiplied by the whole bracket. So we can cancel out them. We'll get 2. So by the distribution property, you'll get 13 2s are 26 minus 3 2s are 6y. And this. By combining like terms, minus 6y plus 5y is minus y. And 23 minus 26 is this. You will get y is equal to 3. Now, we have the value of one variable. We can put it any of the three equations, but why we are using third? Because it is already segregated one. So put the value of y is equal to 3 in third equation. So 13 minus 3 into y. 3 into y is 3. 3 3s are 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So in this way, you will get the value of these variables.